In the era of the COVID-19 virus, organizations are exchanging their offices, classrooms, and museum galleries for webcams. For many, the moment is fraught with challenges. Sites like Zoom are doing their best to meet the increased demand for its services amid the onslaught of Zoom bombing episodes. Education is especially challenging because it's hard to recreate participatory hands-on experiences in a virtual space designed primarily for conference meetings and lectures. Yet Microsoft has a solution. It's called Flipgrid. Purchased by Microsoft in 2018 from a startup out of the University of Minnesota, Flipgrid is a video sharing app that allows online instruction that is engaging, participatory, collaborative, and accessible. Flipgrid consists of bundles of activities or topics organized into grids. Once you set up an account, you will find tons of available resources under the Disco library. Playlists provided by various creators and organizations target specific audiences and address topics ranging from history to STEM. For example, history lessons from the Met include Out of This World and Who's on Your Team. And Wonderopolis includes lessons in language arts like What's Your Dream Pet? And Why are rainforests important to address science? What exactly is a grid? Located under My Grids, grids consist of topics that serve as prompts to elicit video responses from your audience or students. To make a grid, select Add New Grid. Next, choose the grid type or how you want your students to join and customize your flip code. Add a password for additional security and you're ready to kickstart the conversation. Once your grid is set up, you can make further adjustments to notifications, download options, notices to followers, the status of your grid, and captions. Down below, you can change your grid thumbnail or add your own design. Once that's done, you're ready to add topics. Topics are specific prompts or discussion questions. Add a title, a prompt, or stimulus text, and the recording time ranges from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. The text can include several questions, but you are limited to 500 characters. The focus menu is optional, but can be a great way to enhance your level of engagement. It can include a recorded video, a video upload, photos, or other third-party resources. You can add links to supporting documents, set the status of your post, allow for student-to-student replies, and establish launch dates for when students can access the prompt. You can customize video features, including the student's ability to edit videos, link to attachments, and like other videos. Set up the parameters for how you provide feedback, and you're ready to create your first topic. In this example, I set up a grid to represent a subject, fun with Keynote, rather than a classroom or school. I added 2 of 8 topics that will form the entire grid. This specific topic places emphasis on video, rather than the textual description, which serves as a tutorial to guide students through a process. The prompt includes steps and questions to guide the students' video responses. You can share your post by providing a link, QR code, or by sending to Microsoft Teams and Google Classrooms. Embeds allow for deeper integration and full access on your website. Simply copy the embed code. The record video feature is what makes Flipgrid participatory. Students can upload content directly from your website. To begin, select Record Your Response and allow Flipgrid to access your computer camera. The small icons above the record button allow you to add filters, text, stickers, draw, switch to whiteboard or blackboard, and add custom stickers. The 3-dotted icon lets you record your screen, upload a video, and record video with audio. Select Next to preview recording, tap on the timeline to trim clips if necessary. Add another recording or click Next. Take a selfie to establish your identification, add your name, title, and optional web link, and click Submit Video. The educator can now respond to posts, and you may even set permissions for parents to respond and educators to be co-pilots. And wait, there's more. Mixtapes is a section that lets you showcase students' videos in the form of a custom playlist. Grid Pals lets you connect to other educators around the world, and Shorts lets you post short videos without the necessity of prompts or student responses. Essentially, Flipgrid is a dialogic video, a participatory and conversational way to learn in a virtual environment. I hope you enjoyed this review of Flipgrid. My name is Tim Brown. Subscribe to my channel, and let's stay connected.